If you want to get started with ElevenLabs, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can create your first AI voiceover quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign up, enter your text, choose a voice, generate audio, preview the result, and download your finished file. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to the ElevenLabs website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to create a free account. You can sign up using your email address or a supported sign-in provider, depending on what's available on the screen. Follow the prompts carefully, complete the registration process, and once your account is created, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard. After you're inside, the next step is to open text-to-speech. This is the main feature you'll use to turn written words into AI-generated audio. When you click into the text-to-speech section, you'll see a text box where you can begin adding your content. Type or paste the text you want to convert into speech. This could be a script for a YouTube video, a narration for social media, an audiobook section, or even a simple test phrase if you're just learning how the tool works. Now that your text is in place, it's time to choose an AI voice. ElevenLabs gives you built-in voices as well as access to the voice library, so you can explore different styles, tones, and delivery options. Take your time listening to the available voices and think about the type of content you're creating. For example, you might want a calm and professional voice for tutorials, a more energetic voice for social content, or a warm and natural voice for storytelling. Once you find a voice that fits your project, select it. With your text entered and your voice chosen, the next step is to click Generate. ElevenLabs will begin processing your text and create your first AI voiceover. Depending on the length of your script and the settings you selected, this may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll be able to listen to the audio and review how it sounds. This part is really important because it helps you check pronunciation, pacing, and tone before you save anything. Preview the audio carefully. If something sounds off, don't worry. You can always go back, adjust the text, switch voices, or regenerate the audio until it sounds the way you want. This is one of the best parts of ElevenLabs because it gives you flexibility and control over the final result. A small edit to the script can sometimes make a big difference in the final voiceover, so feel free to test and refine your output. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save the audio file to your device. Depending on your selected output format, ElevenLabs may let you export the file as an MP3 or WAV. Choose the format that works best for your project. MP3 is usually great for quick sharing and smaller file sizes, while WAV can be useful when you want higher quality audio for editing. After downloading, your voiceover is ready to use in your video, presentation, podcast, or any other content project. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of getting started with ElevenLabs. You created an account, opened text-to-speech, entered your script, chose an AI voice, generated the audio, previewed it, and downloaded the final file. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.